I think you filed a bill on regulating or tightening regulations on and access to e-gambling websites. Can you run us quickly through that? What do you have in mind? And I know you're against a total ban because it will just drive these sites underground. But what kind of restrictions are you looking at?
Well, first of all, we're not against a total ban, but we do not think it will work at present.
Okay.
That's why what we're calling for is a very strict regulation of online gambling, so that they will still be within our grasp and we will be able to control them. Mahirap kung mag-undergraft na lahat yan, talaga mas mahirap talagang ma-enforce ang batas. Now, what does our bill contain? Unang-una, very strict enforcement of the no access below 21 years old, very strict know your customer protocol, very strict limits that will be set by PAGCOR on how much you can bet, an individual can bet on a daily, weekly, and monthly basis, and how much you can lose. Kung ilan ang gaano kalaki ang pwede mong maipatalo. At kung ikaw ay lumampas doon sa mga limit, automatic na hindi ka pwede makakapagsugal online. Aside from that, meron pa kaming ipapataw na SIM tax, 10% on online gambling platforms that will go to rehabilitation of those with gambling addiction, education, research, and campaigns, national campaigns. Meron pa kaming provision doon na bawal ang advertising, bawal mag-advertise on all the platforms, na hindi lang naman online, pati traditional media, etc. At hindi rin pwedeng gamitin yung tinatawag natin ng mga super app na may magkakalink sila doon sa mga online gambling platforms. We are doing this because sa tingin namin, ang talagang nalululong dyan ang ating mga kabataan at yung mga manggagawa din natin. And it's about time that there be strict enforcement of this practice because of the social cost to our country.